Hi guys, thank you for coming with me to Home Goods, guys, and I'm looking at some of their decor pieces right in front of me, so let's take a look. So let's start over here, guys. So if we come over here, we have some Ray Dunn tea canisters. Let's see how much those are. Those are $9.99, guys, and that's for this size. I don't know how much the bigger one is. Let's see if I could see it. That's okay. So the bigger one is $12.99. The smaller ones are $9.99. Aren't they pretty? Those are really nice. So let's see. This one here is $4.99. I'm not sure what that is. And then you have a pack of these dishes. So these things are up a little bit too high. So if we come down here, look at this. Make today amazing. That one over there says nurse. And these mugs are $5.99. This one says doctor.
I have been screaming for you.
That one says nurse. Aren't they nice? Those are really nice, guys. And then this one here, I'm loving the black. This is says granola. Make today amazing. I'm loving that. So look at this wine glass. So this wine glass here is $4.99, guys. Then you have this what does this say? Good times sure do taste good. Okay, so this is $7.99. That has a little bit of damage on it. So then here, guys, you see those little like spoon-shaped mini tasters in the $5.99. Then they have these glasses back here. So these are $2.99 a piece. Then they have this mason jar, $1.99. Then they have this tea and cup. Let's see. So those are $4.99 for one. And then this, I guess, is a cup. What is that supposed to be? Like a spaceship? Okay, so this is $4.99. Then you have this one that says Minnie Mouse. That has a crack in it, guys. But anyway, that's $3.99. And then you have this tea set and that tea set. And look at this, guys. I gotta move this stuff over to show you. Okay. So this is absolutely, I love this, $9.99 in marble. I like that. So if we come over here, we have these dishes, and they're made in Portugal. So each dish is $3.99. We got all of those. And then this one here, this mug here, Mason Cash, that's $2.99 for those. And then here here's some plates. They look like salad plates. Those are $2.99 each. Then you have these bowls in the back over here, $3.99. Then these over here, $5.99. And then this, I don't think I've seen this before here. Made in Italy. Isn't that pretty, guys? So I don't know, do I want to turn this around? Okay, that is $12.99. Those are platters. Then we have some utensils. Those are $19.99. And then you have that plate over there. This bowl over here is $6.99. This is cute. This is made in Italy. This is $4.99. And look at the Minnie and Mickey Mouse dishes over here. So this little bowl here is $3.99. Let me see how much the dishes are. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And then the plate is $4.99. And look at the glasses, guys. So here's the glass. I don't know if you could see that. And that is $2.99. So the glasses are $2.99. Okay, guys, so then you have these plates over here, these lemon plates from Italy. Oh man, I don't want to knock that down, guys. And then you have, look at the detail to these serving bowls. Okay, so this big one here is $9.99. And then you have this canister here from Portugal, made in Portugal. A lot of stuff is imported. $9.99. And then this here is $9.99. And look at that beehive candy jar or canister. Then you have these bowls right here for $4.99. That utensil, $9.99, guys. Then you have these plates. Very beautiful, guys. Look at this. I love this. That's $5.99. And then all of this is imported from Italy. Then down here, you have this Nassau mug for $4.99. This flag one. I don't know what the price is to that one. Then look at this. Those are $4.99. This one says, my favorite people call me mom. Aw, and then look at these plates, guys. They're gorgeous. So if we move over here, let me show you what they have. Look at this. It says Super Mom. Isn't that beautiful, guys? So that is $3.99. I just want to show you the detail to all this stuff because I know I can't get to all this stuff. But I do want to show it to you, $4.99. So these plates here are $6.99. And then you have that one made in Italy. Look at the detail, guys, to all this stuff. Very nice. And look at these, $3.99. And then along the bottom, look at this pair, $4.99. Then you have these, 3-dish serving. What are they? Well, they're $3.99. They're 3 dishes there. And this one here, $3.99. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Look at this, guys. Kate Spade. I love Kate Spade. So this is $7.99 for 1 mug. I love that. Then you have these dishes here. I don't want to pull them off of there. And then they have these measuring cups are $9.99, guys. And then you have some more of these coffee things. There's another B container there. So I'm just gonna scan that area there for you. I'm loving those the Kate Spade mugs. I love those, guys. Isn't that beautiful? And here's the pink. So here's the apple, guys. Look at the apples, $3.99. And look at this little, this is $7.99 for this teapot. And then $3.99 for that mug. I'm loving the pink, guys. And look at this. We saw this before. And here's another pair. Aren't they adorable? Look at this. So this butter dish is $7.99. Then they have this one here for $5.99. I love this, guys. Look at it. This is like, these are coasters in marble. I love that utensil dish. So here we get back into more whites. These salt and pepper shakers with these dove birds. That's cute. That's $3.99. The butter dish is $7.99. This is all made in Portugal, guys. Then we get right into the salad platters or the serving bowls over here. So guys, let me show you a little bit of their serving stuff. So here you have some utensils. Okay, so now this one here is a 45 piece, and I don't see the price. Let me see. I don't see the price, and that's heavy. So then that's Cambridge. And then you have a 20 piece over here. That's Cambridge. Then you have the serving spoons. Let me see. That one is $6.99 for that. Let me see what these are. So this is Craft Kitchen spoons. These are $7.99. And then maybe if I come down a little lower. Okay, so here's $7.99 for these coasters. Then isn't this adorable? This is like a springform pan. I never seen it so tiny, guys. Look at that. Okay, so this is $3.99. Then you have this Boulder mug, $12.99. Then you have some cutting boards, guys. So this cutting board here is $4.99. So look at these. Look at this wooden one. This is $2.99. Look at the bigger one. This is $19.99. Then you have this. I like this. Isn't that pretty? So this one over here is $12.99, guys. And look at these coasters. So these coasters, $7.99. Look at that. Let me scan that for you because that's absolutely gorgeous, guys. All wooden stuff. So then we get over here and we have these square bowls here, and these are $6.99, guys. Then you have these. I don't know, why does that remind me of little wooden disposable plates? 25 pack, $12.99. Then you have these guys. And these are $5.99. And here they are in white. So you got a lot of baking ware stuff and a lot of serving bowls. And then on this side, let's see. There's the paper towel holder with the marble bottom. And that is $9.99. But this one is very loose. Then you have the grater for $5.99. I like that. Okay, the oil and vinegar. There's no top to this though. $3.99. Salt and pepper shakers. Look at this. Isn't this cute? With the little, like, this is adorable, guys. I forgot what you call this. You can mash the garlic in here. Here's the masher. So this is $3.99. Then the salt and pepper shakers, $6.99. Then you have these. And then look at these salt and pepper shakers. Aren't they different? They're so cute. These are $7.99, guys. And look at this. You're my main squeeze. That's so cute. Marble cutting board. Oh my goodness, $14.99. I'm loving that, guys. And look at this random turtle glass. That's $3.99. So you have some more of this stuff over here. I'm just gonna scan it through because they don't have anything in any particular order since they just opened not that long ago. Guys, thank you for coming with me to Home Goods, and I will see you guys in another video.